Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Today we probably will take a look at the Japanese yen again, because here the situation is changing and market right now shows nice patterns that have been formed recently. On the euro currency, market stands in retracement that we have expected, but nothing really interesting is going on right now on the euro currency. The question is still the same, whether euro will be able to hold above the key level that will keep the chance on upward continuation. This will not happen and market will drop, then probably we will turn to the bearish scenario. But meantime, on the Japanese market, on the Japanese yen, some retracement has started that we have discussed, and here is two different scenarios we have. First one is for daily traders and for longer time scale traders, while shorter term perspective mostly stands for those of you who would like to trade in Japanese yen on the bullish side of the market. So here is our background. So probably you should remember it because we have discussed not long time ago. So this was happening last week. Here we have the nicely looking head and shoulders pattern that has been formed on the euro currency. On the Japanese yen. And in general, we have long-term bearish setup as fundamental as the technical on the Japanese yen. I mean the long term. Because it stands on the weekly and monthly chart. On the monthly chart we have confirmed double repo sell pattern, while here we have the double repo, here we have head and shoulders pattern. But in the shorter term perspective, on the daily chart, on the intraday charts, we could get very nice retracement to the upside, because take a look, market stands a very strong support. This is one of the major 3-8 support, 116.43 area, the fib level. This is the neckline of the head and shoulders. And this is also daily average, weekly average sold. So this could trigger some upward bounce. Fundamentally, Japanese yen should become stronger because the geopolitical tensions are growing and the global economy is slowing. And when the bad times are coming in the economy, this also triggers the demand for the safe haven assets. They are gold, they are government bonds. So usually this is the German bonds, Switzerland bonds, United States treasuries, and they trigger the demand for safe haven currencies. This is classically is United States dollar and Japanese yen. And you see that the Japanese yen is growing even faster than United States dollar. Well, this is what about the long-term perspective and fundamental background. But right now, we're mostly dealing with the technical issue that suggests the possible retracement up. So here you see this market stands at strong support. What we have at this strong support? At this strong support on the daily chart, we have the double repo buy pattern. So we have excellent fronts down that we also have traded. And here, guys, we have called you to take the profit on your bearish position that we have taken here in retracement when we was taking the position right to the neckline. Now it's time to come to close it, or I do not know, maybe detecting the stop or something of that sort. So you have to somehow manage it. The double repo pattern almost have completed. I mean the confirmation of the double repo, because we have thrust down, close above the 3x3 with this candle, close below 3x3. This green line is the displaced moving average for the 3-period forward, and close above again. This trading session hasn't closed yet, so the confirmation or not confirmation of the double repo should come together. Should come today. Currently, the market will close as it stands right now. We will get the confirmed double repo buy pattern. The minimum target of the double repo pattern is the 50% resistance of the whole thrust down, and it stands approximately at 120 area. This also will be, guys, the daily overbought. And this combination stands very logical and matches to situation on the weekly chart, because when the market stands at the weekly oversold on a retracement, market very often as a rule hits the overbought on the one scale lower, so on the daily chart. Reaching on the overbought on the daily chart is logical when the market stands at oversold on the weekly chart. So that's a typical situation. So right now, what we will do today, so first of all, we need to wait when the market will confirm the double repo pattern. So it should close above the 3x3 moving average. Also, guys, take a look. The market stands above the weekly pivot point that suggests existing of the bullish sentiment in the short-term perspective. That's the most important task during today's trading session. Now let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart. So guys, but we was able to take the position in advance of the double repo, as we have discussed in our last research on the Japanese yen, because as you can see, we have the butterfly pattern that takes in fact, this pattern is the shape of the double repo pattern. And I said, and I already told millions of times, that I like when the double repo takes the shape of the butterfly on the lower time frame chart, because you could combine the trading both of the patterns. Appearing of the butterfly provides you better entry opportunity, because you could take the position right at 127 extension, and it gives you the chance to place tighter stop and get a better entry point. Because when the market will confirm double repo here, you already have the bullish position. Okay, and if even double repo will fail, you will get the chance to exit, to abandon this trade with no loss. That's the attractiveness and the advantage when the market forms the double repo pattern and combining it with the butterfly pattern on the lower time frame chart. Also, guys, appearing of the butterfly is a positive sign, because market creates the new bottom compared to the first one on the double repo. So here's the first bottom, this is the second. And the existing of the greater lower bottom of the second one of the double repo is also advantage. I also explained this already, because the breakout traders usually wait when the market breakout will happen and they open the shorts. Now they are trapped in the wrong direction. Where they place with their stops? Right here. So the market will touch them. This will push market high. That's why the existence of the lower second bottom is also advantage when the double repo is forming. So guys, if you have missed the entry with the butterfly, don't be upset, because in this case you could apply different tactics for the entry. But anyway, you will need the most recent thrust up, most recent this action to the upside swing. You could act differently. You could totally rely on the double repo. So if market will confirm it, you could try to take the position by the market, or just wait for the minor bounce. For example, for the 3-8 retracement here on this most recent move up. You could get more confirmation if you need it. So for example, you could wait when the market will form a reversal swing. So it should move above this top. So when it move up, swing to the upside will be greater than the previous swing down. After that, you could wait, for example, for a reaching of the confidence support, because here we have the first leg. Maybe market will, after some retracement, will show the another leg. In this case, you could try to apply the John Napoli Minesweeper B entry technique. It will give you more confidence with the bullish ambitions of the market. So you could act differently. If you have taken position based on the butterfly, now you could move your stop to the break even. Just wait what will happen. Watch the movie. Also, guys, you can see that here we have the nicely looking bullish divergence based on the butterfly. So this is also additional supportive factor for the upward continuation. Also, take a look at the angle of the crossing of the lines. The steeper angle is, the better chances on the further upward continuation. So that being said, on the Japanese yen, our long-term expectation is to the downside. So we expect that the Japanese yen will continue its appreciation. In the short-term perspective, we think that the retracement up to the 120 area, the chance of this retracement looks really significant. So for those of you who have taken bullish positions based on the butterfly here, could keep it and move your stop to the break even. For the others who have missed entry on the butterfly, you could wait when the market will confirm double report today or not confirm. So if it will confirm, you could think about the taking long position. You could do it differently. So for example, you could wait for the minor retracement here on the next session on tomorrow, or you could wait for the more confirmation, for example, when the market will show the reversal swing here, and then trying to take the position on the deeper retracement on some confidence support on hourly chart. So that's our major view on the Japanese yen.